So you're going to have to give me a second to jump on the bandwagon of everybody else as I make yet another video about ChatGPT, which you'll probably have seen everywhere if you've been across YouTube and the internet and things, because it's incredibly powerful artificial intelligence. You ask it a question and it comes back with really interesting answers. In fact, I had a bit of an argument with it about how many bananas you could fit into Loch Ness, and it was interesting to see how it learned what I was trying to ask it and eventually gave me an answer of something like 700 billion or something. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to generate an indoor rowing training program. Now this comes at a specific time for me where I've been spending the past kind of 5 or 6 months training quite a lot for High Rocks. If you don't know what that is, go to highrocks.com and check it out. But what it means is that I've still got a really good level of fitness, but my rowing has suffered because I've not been rowing as much. And this was really telling a couple of days ago when I did a 30-minute row at 20 strokes a minute, and I actually found it quite tough rowing at the pace that I quite happily see as bread and butter. So I know that my rowing performance has suffered, but my fitness is there. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a program. So let's turn over to the screen on this and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I've already typed in the question. You can see it says, I have a good level of fitness and used to be a strong rower. I'm looking for a 2-week training plan to get my rowing strength back again. Please write one for me with sessions mixing up intensities and lasting around half an hour. So I've been quite direct into what I want here, okay? I want it to last 2 weeks. I want it to be run about half an hour and I want it to be different intensities through the sessions. Now I've not told it how many I want a week, so let's add that in. Let's say 5 sessions a week. So let's quickly put that in. Give me 5 sessions per week. Okay, so I'm just going to hit enter and see what it does. Okay, so here we go then. Monday, warm up, 10 minutes of easy rowing, interval training 8 times 500 meters with 2 minutes rest between. That's a very familiar session. Okay, Tuesday, warm up 10 minutes, 30 minutes at moderate pace. Yep. 10 minutes of easy rowing. So here you can see, look, this is AI writing a training program for us. Thursday, that's nice of it to give us a rest. Okay, so is that, no, this is a general plan. You may need to adjust. Okay, so it's giving me 1 week's worth of a training plan. This is the general plan and you may need to adjust intensity and duration to match your current level of fitness. It's important to listen to your body and avoid pushing too hard too quickly. Okay, so what I'll do with this is, as being it's giving me 1 week's worth of a plan, I'll do it twice, and that'll be my 2 weeks. And I'll see if on the second week I can just increase intensity just a little bit. I'll kind of do it as a feel for it. It seems to just be about, I'd use it as a moderate intensity, so it's not like a pace-based intensity or anything, but that's what I will do. So I'm going to paste this training plan into the description of this video so that you can see it and you can do it too. And you can do it ahead of me because I've still got 2 more weeks of High Rock stuff left. I've got a race on the 11th of February, and then from that point I'm then going to kind of shift more back into my rowing training. I'm going to use this to kind of kick it off, get my strength back up, and then I'll go into my usual RowAlong stuff. So if you want to do this ahead of me, the plan's going to sit here in the description to this video and you can do it and you can let me know how you get on in the meantime. And of course, if you have any other suggestions for ChatGPT when it comes to indoor rowing training plans and things, then do let me know because I'm quite happy to keep on just generating things in here because it's really fun. You should check it out. Go to chat.openai.com if you want to check it out yourself and have a go. In the meantime, if you're like, I'm not doing all that, and you do want videos to row along to, then remember I've got hundreds of them up here on the RowAlong channel, which is kind of why I'm using AI now to generate them. So you can have a look around, look at all the training plans I've already got here, or the collections of videos that you can do to try and keep you motivated and interested. Until one of them, please look after yourselves, take care, be well. Bye-bye.